Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go freezing. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go freezing, you should just go to apps, settings here as you see and you click. After that, in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Monopoly Go and you will click. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your phone to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.